In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a refund from Hostinger step by step. If you recently purchased hosting and changed your mind, upgraded by mistake, or simply want your money back within the refund period, Hostinger actually makes the process pretty straightforward. The problem is that many users don't know where the refund option is located inside the dashboard, so they end up searching through settings or contacting support unnecessarily. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact place to find the refund request button and how to submit the request in just a few clicks. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important detail about refund eligibility. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log into your Hostinger account dashboard. You can do this by going to hostinger.com and clicking the Login button at the top of the page. Enter the email and password connected to your hosting account and access your main dashboard. Once you are inside the Hostinger control panel, you'll see your hosting products, domains, and account settings. From here, we need to navigate to the billing area where all your payments and invoices are stored. This is where Hostinger keeps a record of every transaction you've made on your account, including hosting purchases, renewals, and upgrades. Finding the correct payment is the key step in starting a refund request. Next, look for the billing section in the dashboard menu. Inside the billing area, click on Payment History. This page shows a full list of all the payments that have been made on your account. You'll see details such as the date of the payment, the amount charged, and the product associated with that purchase. Scroll through the list until you find the payment that you want to request a refund for. This might be a hosting plan, domain purchase, or another service, depending on what you bought. Make sure you select the correct transaction because the refund request will be tied to that specific payment. Once you locate the correct payment in your payment history, look to the right side of that payment entry. You should see a small redirection icon or arrow. Go ahead and click that icon. This will open a detailed page showing more information about that particular payment. On this page, you'll be able to see the payment details, invoice information, and additional options related to that transaction. Hostinger places the refund option directly inside this payment detail page so that users can easily request a refund without needing to contact support first. Now on the payment details page, look for a section or button labeled Request Refund. In most cases, this button appears near the payment information or transaction summary. Click on the Request Refund option to begin the refund process. After clicking it, Hostinger will guide you through a short confirmation step where you submit the request. Once the request is sent, their system or support team will review it based on their refund policy and eligibility rules. It's important to remember that if you do not see the Request Refund button on this page, it usually means that the payment is not eligible for a refund under Hostinger's refund policy. This can happen if the purchase is outside the refund window or if the product type does not qualify. And that's it. That's exactly how to request a refund from Hostinger directly from your dashboard. Just log into your account, go to Billing, open Payment History, click the redirection icon next to the payment, and use the Request Refund button if it's available. The whole process only takes a minute once you know where to look. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple hosting, website, and tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.